All right, so this video is going to go over a couple problems that you're going to see on your Delta Math today. Okay, I've had a lot of kids asking me for extra help, so I'm hoping this will help out. Okay, so I would be using Desmos for your online calculator. Okay, let me get that. Go ahead and pull it up. Let's get Desmos ready. All right, so let's go ahead and do this first problem. Okay, so with the piecewise functions, okay, you guys are used to plugging in stuff. You guys know how to evaluate. You plug x in, you get your answer, you're good. But with piecewise, you have multiple equations to choose from. So you have to look at this right here. Like you have to. This determines which equation you choose. Okay? Now, inside parentheses is your x. So this is saying when x is -1, what is y? Okay? So I'm giving you x. I want to know y. But you got to figure out where to plug x in. So we look at this. This says x cannot equal -1. Well, I need -1, but this is saying x can't equal -1. So I can't use this first equation, so I'm going to mark it out. The second one says x can equal -1. So that's the equation I'm going to use. Is there an x for me to plug in here? There's not. If there's no x, you can't plug in. So my answer is just that number, which is 5. Okay? All right, let's do another one. All right, here we go. So, this one, am I still on it? All right, here we go. So, I have to use this, okay? This is saying when x is 4, what is y? All right? So, is 4 less than 2? No. 4 is not less than 2. Remember, this is less than. That is greater than. Okay? 4 is not less than 2, so I can't use that first one. Does 4 equal 2? Nope. Is 4, now this means in between. Is 4 in between 2 and 7? Yes, it is. Is there an x to plug into? No, so my answer is just -6. Okay? Let me make sure I'm still recording. Okay. All right. Next one. So this is saying that, so I'm going to look right here, okay? This is saying that x is 3, what is y? Okay? Well, can the first one equal 3? Nope, it says it cannot be 3, so we're going to mark it out. So I want you to know that this right here means any number but 3. Okay? So the second one says x can equal 3. So that's my answer. We got a lot of constants here. I didn't mean to do that. So my answer is just 2. Okay? All right. Next one. Here we go. So this one is saying, so I look right here, it's saying x equals 8. What does y equal? Is 8 less than 1? No. Does 8 equal 1? No. Is 8 between 1 and 4? No. Uh-oh. This one doesn't have an option. So you see this button right here? You would click that. If you cannot plug a number into any of your equations, it is undefined. Okay? And that happens sometimes, all right? All right. So this one, got to use this. Whoops. This is saying when x equals 5, what is y? Is 5 in between -1 and 2? Nope. Is 5 in between 2 and 5? Yeah, because see how it can equal it? So this is what I plug 5 into. So I'm going to say 5 minus 6, which is -1, which is my answer. Okay? All right, I want to do another one that I'm plugging into. Okay? Let's see here. So I didn't really need Desmos, did I? All right, let's do this one. Okay? All right, So this one, I got to use this. It's saying x equals -3. All right. Now this one's a good one. Okay. So see how it says x cannot equal -5, and this one says x equals -5. Well, does -3 equal -5? No, -3 does not equal -5. But -3 doesn't equal -5, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to plug in. We're going to say -3 plus 6 squared minus 6. Use Desmos. Okay, I'm going to go to Desmos. This is your calculators you have to use at home. So we're going to say -3. We're going to type it just like we saw it. Okay, -3. I think it was plus 6. So then we're going to say plus 6. Oops. Plus 6. I need to square it, so I'm going to come over here and square. And then I think it was a -6. Uh-oh, I exited out. Oh no, I exited out. It was -6. So then -6. So my answer would be 3. You see how it calculated it for me? So my answer was 3. Okay? All right, so if we came back to this Delta Math and I put 3 in, and put 3 in, get my answer. Yep. Okay. All right. So I hope that helps, and use the show me tool too. Okay, it can show you things. All right. So I hope this helps you out, guys. And I'm gonna make another video for the graphs.